Hello my peeps, how you all going today? Janine here again guys, rocking it up for us over 40s. Yes I am. So today guys, I really wanted to show you how to do a very quick look. I call it a no makeup look. It's for all of us out there who don't want to wear much makeup, but we want to wear something, but we don't want to look like we're wearing too much makeup. So that's what today's tutorial will be about. So firstly guys, I haven't moisturized my face, I've done everything else, so let's get to it. I'm going to use my Charlotte Magic Cream. Let's get some of that on. It's really nice. It's a lot lighter than her other Magic Cream. That one was so thick. So guys, next up I'm going to use some of my Bobbi Brown Extra. It's a illuminator. It's not over the top or anything like that, so perfect. Let's get some of this on. Oh, that's so nice. Can you see that? Look how illuminating it is. I like that one. Okay, next up we will be using a little bit of foundation. I'm not going to wear anything heavy, so I've got something Perricone MD. No makeup foundation. It's perfect. So let's put a bit of this on. Just a little bit. So let's just get that on. Yes, I've still got heaps on my hand guys. I'm not going to use that, so I'm just going to wipe that off. So it's a very sheer coverage, as you can see. I love it. Okay guys, so we still need to do our spot conceal. We might do a little bit of concealer, just a very small amount. We are trying to make this look very light. So tiny bit, hourglass. Just like that guys. I wouldn't put any more on than that. You can skip this step. I wouldn't even do this on a day of taking the kids out, to be honest. But I thought I would just throw it in there. Get your beauty blender. And that's it for that. I mean, don't you love that foundation? It's still sheer, it still shows all my flaws, and I have many. Thin brush time guys. I'm still going to use Benefit Boing. You've got to make your base look as flawless as possible, but without obviously overdoing it. So I'm just going to attack those very obvious parts. My spider vein here. Oh my goodness, look at these guys. After this I am going to give myself a very good cleanse. Let's just attack those marks anyway. And that's all I'll do for the spot conceal. Yeah, I wouldn't do any more than that if I was going out with the kids anyway. So let's just diffuse those edges. Like, if you look at me guys, that foundation, that Perricone is amazing. It's so light. You can still see all my flaws. Yep, and that'd be it guys. That looks pretty decent. That looks pretty good. Pretty good my peeps. Okay my peeps, what do you think so far? Quite nice, eh? Yeah, very fresh looking. Yep. Yep, that Perricone, where is it? Perricone MD, guys. If none of you have heard it, no makeup foundation, amazing. I'm not going to use powder today. I'm going to use this Ray Morris. It's a invisible mattifier, and it's amazing, guys. Look at it, it's clear. What you do is you just get in there with your brush, and you will see that shine there? Isn't that amazing? It's clear. My nose, forehead a bit up here, under my eyes, maybe here. So it's like an invisible powder. It's like nothing I've ever tried. It's amazing, guys. Ray Morris, gotta get it. Check that. Let's do some blush, eh? Not going to do too much today, so I'm going to use my Perricone MD No Makeup Blush. Comes in a little thingy like that. And you just dot it. Just a little bit at a time. Yep. That's lovely. You can either use your fingers. I might just try and eat my fingers. See, look at that, guys. It just kind of disappears. Check that out. Do you guys love it? Very sheer. I think that part is a little bit higher. Okay, my peeps, what do you guys think? I think it looks amazing. It looks so fresh. My skin it looks glowing. Might get a little bit more of that blush on actually, and I'm wondering if I might put some, just a little bit on my eyelids. Maybe a little bit on our eyelids, eh? If you guys think you've gone too hard, always get your beauty blender out there. I like it. So that looks great, doesn't it, guys? I love it. Yeah, I would absolutely rock this look. I'm going to only do the eyeliner, guys, up top and very softly. I've got my Charlotte Tilbury, the classic eye powder pencil, and it's a brown. So we're going to go very lightly, just on the top, get between the lashes. Yeah, perfect, and that's enough. I won't go on the bottom. But for my bottom, guys, I am going to use this Tarte Fake Weight. Oh! Pulled the wrong damn side off. Let's do it. What do you guys think? Yep. I'm going to use, for eyebrows, my Kimiko super fine eyebrow pencil. So let's get my Jeffrey for this. Try and make them as natural as possible. I think that'll do. If I do too much, it's going to look very made up. Okay, my peeps, what do you think of the look so far? Very natural, very glowy, with our Perricone MD No Makeup Blush. They also have a highlighter as well. I've got it, but I can't find it. So I do want to put on a little bit of highlighter, guys, and that's just me, but I don't want anything too serious. So I'm going to use this Patty McGrath Golden Skin Fetish Highlighter and Balm. And I love her. I love Pat McGrath. So let's give this one a whirl. On one end it's got a creamy highlighter. It doesn't seem very heavy or blingy, which is perfect. And on the other side is a lip gloss, which I'm going to use. So let's get that on. Just lightly. Very lightly, guys. Very lightly. Actually, I might put it on my fingers and do it like that. just so I can get the sheerest of looks. Here I go, I'm going hard out. Oops, I think that's enough. Pity again. Yep, look at that guys, just very sheer. I'm not going to even bother doing any up here because I would not normally do that if I was, you know, doing this. So we do need a little bit of mascara on guys, so we're going to go for the MAC Extended Play because of the brush. It is small and it is tiny. So yeah, just a little bit of that mascara guys, not much, so it's hardly obvious. Just a bit of that balm from Pat McGrath. So we've used that highlighter side. That was the highlighter side. This is the balm side. Very handy. You could even put a little bit of lipstick on. I'm not. That is a lovely look. Let me pull my hair out. That is my hair today. And yeah, actually I've been loving this Kerastase 8-hour Magic Night Serum, and it's beautiful. I even use it during the day. And I love this in my hair. I put in so much. But it really, really works. And yeah, that's all I'm gonna do. Buff my hair up a little bit. I like that wild look. So that's me guys. I would wear that out. Now my other light's gone out and I'm relying on my Ricky. I'm learning guys. I am totally learning, and that's what it's all about. And I want to let you guys know too that I don't use any filters at all in my videos. I don't believe filters are good because they change your appearance, and yeah, I don't like that. You have to be real. I could go around putting on a bloody filter and all that crap, take my wrinkles out, but I won't do that. Just all my lights. I don't have many lights either. So yes guys, it's me. I hope that you enjoyed this look as much as I did, and we're glowing guys. You know, it's that MAC. This is a key guys, MAC. And it's that, and it's this Bobbi Brown Extra. She is amazing. I want to show you guys something else too while I'm at it. I've been using this MAC. It has a little bit of radiance in it. I hate the sprayer on this damn thing. Oh, it's shocking. Oh, so I'm just going to dry that down. But it is nice. I mean, it gives that fresh radiance. I'm not a big fan of the sprayer though. The sprayer seems to, I don't know, it's just very heavy. It doesn't have any colour in it or anything. It just gives your face that little bit of radiance. So that's me guys. What do you think? I love it, and yeah. So that's my no makeup look. Very glowy. Ooh, that MAC Plus. Whew. MAC Fix. Sorry, MAC Fix Plus with radiance in it. It's amazing. This is me guys, and this would be how I would go out shopping. Thanks a lot for watching.